Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us. Whole Divine International team and Dipesh Patel, me myself, welcoming you for this event. You give your precious time to us for teaching us and learning us. Thank you so much for joining.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Hi, Sunny. Sorry.
Yeah, hi ma'am. We were eagerly waiting for your presence. So I hope
Yeah.
everything is clear now. So
Yes, yes,
thank you
yes.
so much. From 6:30 a.m. I am in touch with you today. So this is morning time in India, ma'am. I understand that there is evening time in San Diego, California,
Yeah.
and you are
It's
attending this
7:24.
session.
Yeah,
Yes,
it's
yes.
seven
So
twenty four p.m. Yeah.
yes, so everyone here we have 273 participants joining and want your precious learnings and wisdom uh, with us today. So let us first know we are all gathered here from parts of India, different parts and different cities of India right now. So आप सब so I want everyone मैं सभी लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट करता हूं कि आप जिस भी सिटी से ज्वाइन किए हैं आपने बैकबोन टीम इस म्यूजिक के साथ हम इस चीज को आगे बढ़ाएंगे जिस भी सिटी में आपने ज्वाइन किया है आपको चैट बॉक्स में जाना है और अपनी सिटी का नाम लिखना है so many people have joined from different locations. You can see it in chat box. They are all typing their city names: Ahmedabad, Surat, Kalol. So these all are cities surrounding Surat. In many of people joined from out of India also. You can see, ma'am, uh, many
Yeah.
people have joined from different locations. So yes,
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Rajkot, Viara, Surat. Yes, Surat. So many Maharashtra, Kota,
Yes.
Rajasthan.
Oh
So
my
these
God.
are these are all states and parts of India. So from on behalf of everyone, yes. So
Wow.
on behalf of everyone, on behalf of my team, on behalf of all the participants, and on behalf of whole Indian team, we welcome you once again, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank
Uh,
you. Thank
Over to
you.
you, ma'am. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, it's a lot of people. Yes. So thank you for joining us tonight. And I would like to thank God first. Okay, hold on. Where's my. I would like to thank God first for giving us this opportunity, the Zoom opportunity, so that we can see each other. Okay. So
Yes, yes.
yeah. So I'm so thankful that you guys are in my team. Oh my goodness, Where's the female? Where's the female? Oh, male. Oh, so
No,
funny.
no, we
Yeah. So, anyways, I just arrived from Alberta, and I would like to congratulate FEMA and Dio for hitting the 6A
wow.
last week. And then congratulations, he won number 5 on the daily contest. And I can't believe I won first too.
Oh
So
wow.
anyway, yeah. So life is so good, right? But we have to do it. We have to do it no matter what, because there is no free lifestyle if you don't go to work, right? Because Inagic business is a self promotion towards your effort. So you are the one who promote yourself. So I would like to thank God for that. That we are so open minded and focusing on this business. But remember this: there is no upline, there's no sideline, there's no downline that could be able to push up to the top. Okay, everything start with us, inside of us. So everybody, Sunny, do we have interpreter? No, everything is
You may continue, ma'am.
okay.
I will explain to them. Yeah.
Okay, so The bottom line in this business, if you want to be successful, you want to succeed, okay, you have to have the divine intervention in our life, because if we don't, we won't succeed. There is no religion, there is no religion, there is no, the best religion. We are the best because we are the children of God, because all religion are the same. Towards the end, we will be reunited and reunited in one, and no one escape death. That's why, while we can, we have to do something for ourselves, because it is us going to change us. It's not Sunny will change you or Cynthia Brigante will change you. If you don't follow what is the instinct or the what we call this, your motive, or your what you call the inner deep of what you want in life, you won't progress. The reason why I am very successful, because I have my God. And all of you have your own God too, right? You have, but sometimes if you don't have faith, you rely on yourself, it's hard to get what we want. But if we have God and let go everything, just relax, because don't worry, don't be scared, don't panic, don't escape those things in your life. Believe me, you can go anywhere you want to go in this world. So, Sunny, I want you to, let's do a question, Q&A. It's better so that I can be able to explain what they want to learn on this business. Yahoo God is with us.
Yes, Yahweh God is with us. So
Yeah.
that will be better. So everyone wants to know one thing, that how long have you been doing Enagic business? Tell us a bit of your early days, how you taken up this idea of doing Enagic business, and how you grown. What were your older days experience? Every female also wants to know this, and we do have female brigade. So many females are there. So you can see it in your gallery view, or you might have joined from your phone. Then you can look. There are so many females. So we do have
Yes.
so many little Cynthias with us. So
Yeah.
yes, ma'am. Over to you.
Okay. I joined the business in 2006, and it's so crucial at the time when I joined, because we don't have, we don't have a lot of machine, and then we don't have knowledge. But it's better. This is what I learned in myself, because I better not to know everything, because I want to explore. I want to know by myself. I want to know it by myself. So in my perspective, it's like if I want to drink the water, it's an experience, so to speak, that that gives me the power to close sales, to how do you call this, to close sales, to talk to people. I'm so confident because the experience is with me. Because at that time I have like acid reflux and how do you call this, like I'm so stressed, acid reflux, and I have what's the name of that in English? It's like I can easily pass out because of if I'm so stressed. So that's what my feeling. And then when I start drinking the water, then my mind is blowing, because I'm praying. My prayer is so simple. Yahuwah, I want to explore this business for your glory. Because if I will explore it to myself, I cannot make sale. But if I say, Yahuwah, this is for you, I make a lot of sales, and I'm sleeping. I was just like, people are calling me left and right that wants to know what I'm doing. So that's my experience. And then that's the reason why I don't want to listen to anybody, because they're good, but their goodness does not apply to me. That's the reason why if I join the event, sometimes I left because that's their event. It's not my event, right? But it's up to the people which one they want to follow. Because I believe that myself is the one can make these things to be, to be sold out or to be sold. I will be the one to sell by itself through my experience, you know. So that's what happened. So at that time, and then I want to make money, and I saw the marketing plan in all the longevity of our lifespan in this business is your direct sale going wide. So if my first sale in going wide, because I jumped to 4A, I didn't even know that you jump, you can skip to 1A, 2A, 3A, but 1A you cannot skip it. You need to have two direct sales. And then I jumped to 4A right away. I don't have 1A and 3A. So when I sold 17 units in Hawaii, you know, right away, I saw my check, and my check is very sustainable, and then so impressive that I can be able to buy things to support myself, to go with my team. And if you know, like I have something, because otherwise I will ask my upline, hey Sunny, where is my, you know, help me, I need you know, I need money for my gas to go to my downline. I never do that. JB and Romy did not help me. Even you ask him, they never helped me because they know I'm very responsible. Responsibility for God is more efficient than responsibility to yourself. If you're responsible to yourself, you're still starving. But if you are responsible for the glory of God, God will provide. I want you to learn that one because it happened to me. Like when I arrived here, I was like so shocked because I have visitors, you know, and then they just come here, and then they're going to make it like full blast in this business, and they want to learn, and they were so good. Can you imagine? The guy is an engineer at the Boeing 7, you know, like it's a Boeing, it's an airline industries there. He left because he saw the potential of making more and retired a lot. Because sometimes working in the company, the more you go up, you get a little bit of a higher, you know, but it's not enough. But once you retire, you only get less. So here, once you do the business diligently, honestly, for God's glory, you will never be stopped. Unstoppable blessings, mercy, and grace will be with you. So that's what happened to me. Okay, another
Wow.
question?
So this was a wonderful sharing. Some of the lines I will translate to my team, ma'am.
Yeah,
So
no problem.
yeah.
Uh-huh.
So मैडम का जब उन्होंने बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया और किसी की भी हेल्प लिए बिना, सबसे बड़ा पॉइंट ये है कि किसी की भी हेल्प लिए बिना उन्होंने अपने अपलाइन से कभी भी पैसे की मदद नहीं ली है। वो ये मानते हैं कि जो रिलीजियन है ना, वो रिलीजियन किसी भी रिलीजियन पे आपको फोकस नहीं करना है। कहने का मतलब वी आर ऑल चिल्ड्रन ऑफ गॉड, मतलब हम सब भगवान के, मतलब ईश्वर के बच्चे हैं। तो पूरी दुनिया जो है ना, वही हमारा, मतलब पूरी दुनिया हमारी है, कहने का मतलब। सो आपको अपना पर्पस जो है उसको ध्यान में रखना है और कीप गोइंग, मतलब चलते रहना, बाकी सारी चीजें हो जाएगी। बहुत ही पावरफुल लाइन उन्होंने दिया है कि इट्स एन एक्सपीरियंस। कैंगन जो है ना, वो पीने के बाद उसका जो एक्सपीरियंस है वही उनको पावर देता था काम करने के लिए। मतलब और कोई पावर की उनको जरूरत कभी पड़ी ही नहीं है। जो कैंगन वो पी रहे, वो जो पूरे बॉडी में उन्हें महसूस होता था, वही पावर के साथ उन्होंने अपना जो बिजनेस है उसको डेवलप किया है। और सबसे अच्छी बात कि वो इजीली कभी भी हताश नहीं होती थी। उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी बात कही कि मैं कभी भी इजीली हताश नहीं होती हूँ। वो जो पावर है, उसी पावर को मैं ट्रांसफर करने के लिए बार बार कोशिशें करती रही। और जो सेल है ना, वो एक्सपीरियंस के थ्रू ही आएगा। कैंगन पानी पीते रहिए, उसी के थ्रू आएगा। और शी बिलीव्स इन डायरेक्ट सेलिंग टिल टुडे। ये डायरेक्ट सेलिंग का मॉडल है, तो वो चीज उन्होंने कंटिन्यू की है। जब उन्होंने स्टार्ट किया था 17 यूनिट्स हवाई के अंदर, एक प्रेजेंटेशन में 17 यूनिट्स जब उनके सेल हुए, और उसके बाद जो उन्हें चेक मिला ना, वहां से उनका जो कॉन्फिडेंस है वो मतलब दुगना तिगना 4 गुना हो गया। सो वंडरफुल शेयरिंग मैम, इट गिव्स अ लॉट ऑफ क्लैरिटी टू अस। सो everyone is so many people in my chat box, they are messaging me in direct that if you are convenient, then you can share how many in terms of dollars or rupees you have earned in this business, and what is your team size? How many 6A are there in your team? Yes, ma'am. Everyone wants to know this. They are so excited.
In 2013, I have like 300,000, but now I cannot count it anymore. It's too much. And then, like I have, as far as I know, I have 11 6A2-6 in my team. But when it comes to 6A2-6, I think it's more than 100,000. I do not know. I cannot, because I'm not really particular on that, but yeah, because of I just keep on making 6A directly, because my goal is 106As, in my wide. Because the more 6A wide, no, imagine this, no multiplier. When you go deep, you're only entitled up to 3 deep of same level with you. What if you cannot cope up? You stagnant there for life, right? So, but if you have 6A wide, the wide makes you a lot of money, because the longevity of the people are enjoying getting the money. Like one of the 6A right now, and he was so happy, telling me, this is my first time receiving over $10,000 in my whole life. Can you believe that? Yeah, because when you go deep, you cannot make it, you cannot get it, because 5,000 is 5,000, right? But it's more faster to rank up if you go wide, because you have something to show, because that is the real things of journey to success for God's glory. And guess what? At the end, what you get is a legacy. A legacy that your family is not starving. You're already there. You can be able to help and teach the people how to fish. Okay? Because they want to follow. You have something to show for. Okay? Not like when I was in other business, I was the top earner, top producer. But the thing is, I have nothing to show for. Nothing. So when I go home, I feel like so sad. I'm so happy because people, I make it, it's a lie. It's a lie. That's why my life, starving. But when I change the paradigm of my life to a perfection of my journey, so that my legacy will be there, that people cannot be able to forget. If I die right now, do you think people will forget me? Of course not. Okay, because it's like, if you have no legacy, you have the journey, but you have no legacy. When you die, they just fold your dress and put it somewhere in the corner, right? But if you are going to have a good legacy, they will make a statue in front of your house. This is my grandma. This is my mom. So that's those kind of things. We're not forcing them to do it, but they will do it for you. That's why, folks, when I join the business, I don't rely my upline. I don't even rely on my downline, but I communicate my downline. I communicate with them. And then when they call me, I answer them. But if I don't answer you, you will be surprised, because you're going to get a return, answer from me, right? Because that's the part of the journey and part of your legacy, your future legacy. So that's what happened. If you want to make money right now, if you're a 6A or even you are a 3A, 3A is a huge amount of money. How much? 3A in United States, it's like they raise it to 300, I think, how much, I don't know the commission right now. Before it's like 340 times 3, that's 1,100 something. Think about that. If you just, want to mushroom, you have to do first for yourself. Make it for your house first, for your children, for yourself, for God's glory. Okay? Now, what you're gonna do is just like make a sale direct to you, 10 people in a day. Let's put it this year, $1,000. You got 10,000 saved already, right? You're safe in 10,000. Then you can go explore. Okay? Remember this, The world is our market. Because you know why? We have no Bureau of Food and Drugs. We have no, it's no hassle. I travel with my water. I got 5 ml in my what we call this, in my cabin, in my business class suite. You know, I mean, it is very awesome that when you do the business, walk your talk in your business. What I mean, walk your talk is like when you say that you're making this, you have to really do it. Because if you cheat the people, number one that you're gonna cheat is the universe, the God. You know why? God doesn't like it. That's why some of the people, they're starving. They're good in front, and people praising them, but it's like mirage. After a while, people don't like them anymore. I do not know. Even they don't know what's the secret of lying, if they lie or not. But the connection of the frequency, if we believe that ImGuard is a frequency, what we call this, detector, the frequency that we have is more powerful because it comes from God. So if you tell the truth, that frequency will bind right away to other people, and they see your heart and they see your mouth. People will sign up right away because it's proven. When we were in Canada, you know, in Alberta, all the people there sign up. I got people that, you know, like we don't force them, but we explain to them the how do you call this, the fast track to 2A. So they buy their own what we call this machine, 3 machine right away. And guess what? I told them, don't build that 1A. Don't build, because when you got the Ocon there, okay, you can move the Ocon if whatever you go. But if your Ocon is the first, it's the best. Keep on renewing the Ocon. And then if you go to the 2A, if you sell a K8 times 2 of the commission, right? So that's what happened. Keep going, because this is your own self-store. So this is your own self-restaurant. This is your own self, and then at the end, you will be self-promoted. Isn't it nice? If you own a restaurant, you promote the bus boys, the waiter, the waitress. At the end of the year, who promoted you? Your stress. You're gonna be promoted by your stress. How many stress you have at the end of the year? But in Enagic, your life is as smooth, it's like the flow, as smooth as the flow of the water.
Yes.
Okay.
So that was a powerful sharing, ma'am. The amount of 6A2-6, 6A2-2, and 6A2 you have just given us that in your team there are 11 6A2-6 lines. Oh my God, it is so amazing to listen this. तो आज तक दोस्तों हम लोग ये समझते थे कि सिंथिया मैम का रैंक है 66A15-7, तो उसमें कोई ना कोई 2 6 होंगे जिनकी वजह से वो अभी -7 है. पर क्या आप लोगों ने सुना ठीक से? 6A2-6 की उनके पास 11 लाइन्स है, 11 लाइन, और 6A2 and -2 कुछ 100,000, मतलब दीपेश जी,
अमेजिंग यार, जबरदस्त. मेरे का तो दिमाग उड़ गया.
मतलब 1 लाख लोग, वो भी लीडरशिप रोल के. ओ माय गॉड.
एंड व्हाट इज टारगेट? सर, टारगेट तो देखो मैडम का 106 से डायरेक्ट
वाइड स्प्रेड, मैं उसी पे आ रहा था. 100 वाइड स्प्रेड लाइन्स ऑफ 6 से. माय गॉड, ये खुद में ही बहुत बड़ी बात है. और हम मतलब डिवाइन इंटरनेशनल के जितने भी कोर लीडर्स है, साथ में आप जितने भी लोग यहाँ पे अटेंड कर रहे हैं, मुझे पक्का पता है, बहुत ही विश्वास के साथ मैं ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि आज हमारे लिए बहुत ही बड़ी एक लर्निंग मिली है कि हम क्या सोच रहे थे और हमारे सुपर लीडर्स क्या सोच रहे हैं. आप सोचिए तो सही, 3A की अनगिनत लाइन, मतलब अभी कितने लाख लोग 3A है, उनकी कोई गिनती ही नहीं है. उनकी कोई गिनती ही नहीं है. 2013 में लास्ट में उन्होंने पैसे की गिनती की थी, उसके बाद आज तक पैसे की गिनती भी नहीं की है. आप सोचो तो सही दोस्तों के पैसा जब आप गिन भी नहीं पाओ, लाइफ में अगर इतना पैसा फ्लो हो जाए, आप सोचो उनकी एनर्जी से मतलब मुझे तो गूज बम्स आ रहे थे जब वो ये सब चीजें शेयर कर रहे थे. आप सोचो कोई भी रिस्पॉन्सिबल नहीं है दोस्तों इस बिजनेस के लिए। बहुत ही क्लियर वर्ड्स में उन्होंने कहा, सिर्फ आप रिस्पॉन्सिबल है, आप उसका एक्सपीरियंस कीजिए, उसका पावर लीजिए, क्योंकि सेल्फ प्रमोशन ही आपको इस बिजनेस में आगे बढ़ाएगा। जैसा उनका एक्सपीरियंस है, जैसा उनका अनुभव है, वही अनुभव आज उन्होंने हमसे शेयर किया है। बहुत ही जबरदस्त एक बात कही है उन्होंने, पूरी दुनिया हमारा मार्केट है दोस्तों, पूरी दुनिया हमारा मार्केट है, और वॉक योर टॉक, जबरदस्त लाइन है। प्रैक्टिस व्हाट यू प्रीच, आज तक मतलब मैं वो चीज लेके चलता था, बट वॉक योर टॉक, आप जो चीज बोल रहे हैं ना उस पे आप चलिए, उस पे आप चलिए। बहुत ही सिंपल लाइन है, बट बहुत ही गहरी लाइन है दोस्तों। मतलब आज ये सब चीजें हमें मिल रही है, हम बहुत भाग्यशाली है कि ये सारी चीजें हमें मिल रही है। कुछ कुछ चीजें मैं आपसे शेयर कर पा रहा हूँ, क्योंकि उनका जो शेयरिंग है वो भी लेंथ में है, तो कुछ कुछ चीजें मैं आपसे शेयर कर रहा हूँ जो की हाइलाइट्स है, ठीक है। सो आगे बढ़ते हैं, और थैंक यू सो मच मैम फॉर हैविंग दिस काइंड ऑफ लर्निंग्स विथ अस। तो इस लर्निंग के लिए मैं बैकबोन टीम से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि पावरफुल एक म्यूजिक होना चाहिए उनके लिए, एक पावरफुल म्यूजिक होना चाहिए। और उसके बाद दीपेश सर से मैं बोलूंगा अगर उनको कुछ शेयर करना है, कुछ पूछना है। यस, so for this achievement we are giving you a powerful music ma'am. We are
Okay.
celebrating your success in
Oh,
our
my
Divine
gosh.
International family. Yes,
Yeah, my dash, my 6A15. Yes, yes. Cheers.
powerful music, come on. Yes.
Lo dice no miente, le gusta a mi gente, eso se fue muy bien. No le bajamos, mas nunca bajamos, es otro palo y blanco. ¿Y dónde está mi gente? Que fue por el atento. ¿Y dónde está mi gente? Sí, yeah, yeah, yeah. 1, 2, 3, go!
Backbone team. Yes, wonderful.
Thank you so much. First of all, myself Deepesh Patel, and congratulating you for 6A15-7.
Yes.
Ma'am, I want to ask you one question, which is from our team. What is our challenges? People come and do not stay; they will go. So, how to develop team? That is our biggest challenge. So, I want to learn from you how to develop a team. If someone is joining today, how to become him or her to 6A?
Okay. To become a 6A, you need 100, right?
Right.
But if you are smart for God's glory, for the universe, okay, if you can get 10, okay, tell them with excitement, what is the water what did the water did to yourself with excitement, and then make it sure that the person you talk, okay, is going to put it in their brain and goes to their heart, okay, or goes to the heart and let the brain work right away. So if you can get 10 and then get that, help the 10 to get 10, guess what? You're 100 the next day.
Wow, superb, excellent, madam.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
madam. Please.
Okay. Yeah, when you sign up now, gather your 10, submit it in one time, you're gonna win the contest, plus you got 2 plus 8, and then guess what? You're a 3A, right? Then help the 10 to get 10 each that is willing to do the business. You know, if you do this for God, it will happen. And then once you did it, you're a 6A too, a 6A right away. Because 10 times 100, that's 10. And think about that. The compensation of Enagic are still the same, up to 3 dip of 6As. Okay, when you are a 1A, you're up to 8 level. When you are in 2A, you're up to 7 level, and the rest is like 1 point. And then once you hit a 3A, you're up to 7 level, the same commission. And then when you hit 6A2-4, you're 5, I think 6, and then so forth, and then you become a 6A, you are up to 3 dip of same level with you. So why can't you do that? If you have, if you really like the surge, like surge of urgency to hit 6A in one day, do it. Do it. because the work is you. Okay, remember this. Again, no one can be able to make your legacy do beautiful, but it is you who created the journey then into a legacy. Isn't it nice when we are, when we are enjoying the legacy, when we are still alive, and you can see all your people, like me, if I go to India, oh my goodness, the Indian people, I cannot stand a lot of male, and then picture the whole group, and then picture the whole family hierarchy, and then from 1A to 6A, another picture, and oh my God, and then if you take a picture, you're not smiling, you have to do it again and again. It's so funny, but it's okay. I enjoy it.
Thank
But
you.
sometimes, yeah.
थैंक यू। मैडम ये बताना चाहते हैं कि आप अगर आज ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं ना, पहले आप अपना पानी का एक्सपीरियंस करिए, फ्रॉम वाटर, एनर्जी पानी से, उसका एक्सपीरियंस करने के बाद आप ही खुद अपलाइन, ग्रोथ लाइन नहीं, आप खुद अपनी एनर्जी के साथ अपने पानी का एक्सपीरियंस फुल एनर्जी के साथ सामने वाले को बताइए, उसके माइंड में उस एक्सपीरियंस को डालिए और ऐसा डालिए कि उसके दिल तक चला जाए। यही आपको ये बिजनेस करवाएगा। और अगर आपको 6 से बनना है तो मैडम का फॉर्मूला क्या है, जो 6 से 15-7 है, जिसका 100 डायरेक्ट 6 से का टारगेट है, वो उनका कहना ऐसा है कि आप डायरेक्ट में 10 डिवाइस बेचिए, डायरेक्ट में 1A 1A 2A करके ऐसे करके 3A तक पहुंचे, 10 डायरेक्ट में डिवाइस बेचिए, ताकि आपका एक अच्छा इनकम भी होगा, आपको कॉन्फिडेंस भी बूस्ट होगा, और फिर उन 10 लोगों को आप 10-10 डिवाइस करवाइए नीचे, जो आपने किया है उसको डुप्लीकेट करें, एंड यू बिकम 6A वेरी इजी। दैट इज व्हाट मैडम्स फॉर्मूला, मैडम का फॉर्मूला ये है। और जैसा मैडम ने बताया कि आप इस बिजनेस को लंबा देखिए, अपने तक मत देखिए। आपके पास क्या कोई ऐसा बिजनेस है जो आपको लीगेसी दे सकता है? मतलब आप जो कर रहे हैं वो आप अपने जनरेशन टू जनरेशन, पीढ़ियों दर पीढ़ियों दे सकते हैं, ऐसा कोई बिजनेस क्या है आपके पास? इफ द आंसर इज नो, ये बिजनेस आपको पीढ़ी दर पीढ़ी लेके जा सकता है, आपके लीगेसी में दे सकते हैं अपने बच्चों को, तो दिस इज द ओनली बिजनेस, यही एक बिजनेस है जो ये कर सकता है आपके लिए। तो इसको दिल से करिए और खुद करिए। बहुत अच्छी चीज उन्होंने एक बताई कि जब से इन्होंने ज्वाइनिंग किया इस बिजनेस को, तब से इनके जो अपलाइन है, रोमी जी या उनके अपलाइन है, किसी का हेल्प नहीं लिया। ये बिजनेस उन्होंने खुद ही डेवलप किया, कोई अपलाइन नहीं है, खुद ही डेवलप किया, बस ज्वाइनिंग करवाए, उसके लिए मैं शुक्रगुजार हूं, मैं खुद करूंगी। और जो भी मुसीबतें आई खुद सॉल्व किया और खुद से किया, अपने बिजनेस की जिम्मेदारी खुद ली। ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस इज द बिगेस्ट पॉइंट वेयर वी ऑल आर मिसिंग। ये बहुत बड़ा पॉइंट है जहां पे हम सब मिस कर रहे हैं, कहीं ना कहीं इंडिपेंडेंट डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर की जगह हम डिपेंडेंट हो जा रहे हैं, जो नहीं होना। यस मैडम, सनी ओवर टू यू।
यस, तो बहुत ही इस दीपेश सर ने जो बोला उसमें मैं एक चीज ऐड करूंगा। उन्होंने ये तो कहा कि आई डोंट रिलाई ऑन अपलाइन, बट एक दूसरी पावरफुल लाइन ये भी बोली कि आई डोंट रिलाई ऑन माय ग्रोथ लाइन आल्सो। मैं ना तो मेरी अपलाइन पे रिलाई करती हूँ और ना ही मेरी डाउन लाइन पे रिलाई करती हूँ, जो करती हूँ खुद से करती हूँ। बहुत बड़ी बात है दोस्तों, बहुत बड़ी बात। और एक क्वेश्चन हम सबको उन्होंने जब वो कॉन्वर्सेशन में थे, एक क्वेश्चन हमको उन्होंने पूछा कि क्या आपको लगता है कि मेरे मरने के बाद लोग मुझे याद रखेंगे? बहुत ही पावरफुल क्वेश्चन है दोस्तों, कि क्या मेरे मरने के बाद लोग मुझे याद रखेंगे? तो उन्होंने कहा डेफिनेटली, क्योंकि मैंने अपने ग्रैंड चाइल्ड, मेरे फैमिली के लिए मैंने इतनी जबरदस्त लेगेसी मेंटेन करी है, इतनी जबरदस्त लेगेसी को बनाई है। और आप अपनी लेगेसी को बिल्ड करके हजारों और लाखों सालों तक लोगों के दिलों में जिंदा रह सकते हैं दोस्तों। तो ये काम जो है ना, वो हम इनेजिक में 100% कर सकते हैं। और आज मुझे तो मतलब बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिल रहा है इन शेयरिंग से, क्योंकि बहुत सारी चीजें जब हम किसी सुपीरियर लीडर से सुनते हैं तो हमारे काम करने के तरीके में और ढंग में बहुत फर्क हम ला सकते हैं। हम कहाँ पे गलती कर रहे हैं वो इनकी शेयरिंग से हमें मिल सकता है वो चीज। तो थैंक यू सो मच मैम। गोइंग फॉरवर्ड वी ऑल वांट, what would be your are you okay, are you ready ma'am?
Okay, yeah.
So all are feeling very happy to have you here, सो आपको एक्साइटमेंट बताना है, आपको आपका जो चेहरा है, अच्छा मुखड़ा है आपका, उसको आपको कैमरे के पास लेके आना है. एवरीवन इज कमिंग near to camera and giving you a smile because they are so happy today to have you
Yeah.
here. See, everyone is giving you smile. आप जो भी काम कर रहे हैं उसको छोड़ दीजिए एक सेकंड के लिए. मैडम को आपको एक्साइटमेंट दिखाना है, आप कितने खुश है, आपको कैमरा के पास आना है और एक स्माइल देना है. सर everyone giving you a smile, ma'am. They are feeling
Thank
so
you.
happy to have you here.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
So many people. अब बैकबोन टीम समझ गई है कि मुझे कहाँ पे म्यूजिक चाहिए, कहाँ पे नहीं. चलो बहुत बढ़िया. So, ma'am, going forward, so many people are joining our team recently in past 6 months, 12 months. If I say so many people are there who have joined us. So, what would be your greatest advice to all the new person who is joining Enagic today and what want to be up like you? They
Okay.
all
You-
want to be up like you, whether they are male, female, gender does not matter. All wants to be like whatever Cynthia ma'am has achieved, I want to achieve. So what would be your greatest advice who is joining this business today? Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's a good one. By the way, I have like 11682-6 and 1-7, right? So, okay, I will
Sorry, ma'am.
answer.
Sorry, ma'am. Can you repeat again? It was a technical glitch.
Okay, I have 11682-6 and then I have 1-7.
Yes,
So if
1-7.
Yeah, if you guys going to be my -7, then I will be the 8.
Yeah, wow. Yes, definitely, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So the only advice that in order. Oh, it's in person.
Yeah.
Okay. This is the steps of success. Okay. When you are going.
We are not able to hear you, ma'am. Madam, we are not able to hear you. Hello.
I think there is a technical error. We are not able to.
So there is a ladder of success. Now, I'll tell you, when you are going.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Can you hear my voice? Someone said no voice.
Madam, 1 minute. Please, there is a technique which we are unable to hear you. We are not able to hear you. Can you repeat that success formula? What you?
There is a technical
Can you hear
glitch, ma'am. So you were not audible and we could not have seen what.
Okay, can you hear
Yes,
me now?
Still there is some glitch. It's
Okay,
lagging, ma'am. It's
Can you hear
lagging.
me now? Okay, babes, ayos sa paggamit this. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay,
now
so
it's clear.
this is-
Now it's clear.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is what happened. Okay. When I joined the business, right away, I do it without my upline because it's so simple. Why should I need my upline? The customer that I face doing I face to face is they don't know what I'm doing. They don't know what I'm selling. But because of my excitement, do you want to know how I do it? It's like this. Hi, Sunny, I have this water. It's so good. And then look at my eyes before I have, something like with excitement. And can you believe I can sleep well right now? So you're not lying because you're excitement, right? Are you excited,
Correct.
right? So through your excitement, God will release the mercy. The blessing is to see your customer. Then the mercy will be with you. And then, of course, the mercy frequency will go to the person that you talk to. And then when she is going to understand, wow, I want to try it. They cannot stand not to have the water. Then after that one, oh, why don't you get some people? So grab them, call the people. Everything is excitement. No more demo. I think I'm the only one that don't do demo because I do not know how to do demo. Because I'm selling my experience. And I don't rely on my upline because my upline do demo 2 hours. Romy Berdea doing 2 hours and JB is the same. It's too boring because the customer, I believe that the customer, they are not there for them. They are there for you, right? So, and then some of the customer, they're in a hurry. You know, they want to, what's the point? What's the, like me, if you show me something, tell me the end of the story, and I will buy. Because if you start doing demo with me, I'm not buying it. You know, because there's no excitement. So it's the excitement. And then my first check, oh my goodness, I have to tell you, I'm not gonna tell you the amount anyway. I received almost 75 pieces of checks.
Oh.
Para gutong conveys ka tong files, ano. I'll show you. And then after that one, I tell the people that this is real business, you know, because the water really helps me. And then the other people, my downline too said, oh, it really helps me. So I use that, I told them to use that as your demo, because self-experience sells faster than doing demo. If you do demo, especially the educated people, they will say, oh, I will call my doctor. But you want to make a sale to the educated people, tell the story. And then for God's glory, you know, it's so simple. God, this is for your sake, for your, you know, look at that. Show them that you are bringing it like this. Yeah. Look at my check. Okay, show it to them here. Okay, this is the stub. This is my stub on my first 3 years. And this is the one, and someone stole the other one. And this one, Mr. Oshero wants to ask this, and said, I said to myself, I'm just gonna give it to him when I hit 682-8. When she give me the money, I will give my, okay, here's your stub. So
Amazing.
yeah, so when I learn everything, the marketing plan, so you should be in love with the marketing plan, because that's the bottom line of success. Because you cannot be successful in this business if you did not see the end of the story, right? You have to, the end of the ladder, you have to be how do you call this, like creative yourself. But to be a creative, as long as there is no lies, there is no claim. Because if you see it for yourself that your arthritis is gone, no one will be against. That's your, you know, that's your testimony, right? No one go to jail for that. No one gonna penalize on that, because that's your personal. That's what I did. So demo for me is a waste of time. So when I go to the Enagic office, I have like 16, 20, 35, 40 much, you know, like when I was in the beginning, when I was doing this business, and then it took for me almost 6 months. I keep the checks. You know, I only deposit what the money that I need. I keep the check. You know, I stock the check, and then my friend who is accountant, you're crazy. It's a still check. It's going to be a still later. So I deposit right away. I mean, I was so scared because the bank is but to make that's history. So excitement. And then when I know we are all religious, right? When you are going to be born in this world, the God give us a cup. So whatever your good deeds, or if you start to work, the cup is keep on failing. Whatever you have there, don't give away, because it's a curse if you give. And like, for example, your friend needs some help, you give help right away, and you do not know that your friend is doing it in a gambling way. So keep it but when your cup is overflowing, then you help. Okay, but be careful in helping, because for me, I help people I teach them how to fish so that they could live longer. Because if you give the fish, they could eat only on the day. Okay, so that's why I'm very successful. And then I buy things, because God says there are 24 hours in a day. Okay, 12 hours for that is for us to work and enjoy. Now, how many of you enjoy really the rest? If you work 8 hours, okay, if you work 8 hours, and then 4 hours is for us to enjoy. But if you work 4 hours, and then from the office going to your, to your house for the traffic, so it might be like consume 1 hour and a half. So you have like 2 hours and a half left. When you come home, you have to cook, you have to, there is no enjoyment there. Okay, then another 12 hours is for us to rest. hey, you have to rest, and then you have to what we call this, meditate. I know Indian loves meditation. That's why you're very successful, you know. And then you know, like we meditate, and then lay down all your meditation, and when you meditate, do it all for the glory of your God. Because if you do it, if you do that, you're done. You'll be provided. So that's my story.
Ma'am, you are sharing there is some technical glitch and you are sharing some on paper. Success on paper you are sharing something. Success formula you are sharing on paper.
Okay, my formula on success.
You are already shared, but there is a technical glitch, so we are unable to hear you.
Oh, okay. You know, I would like to add, okay, like the formula of my success is faith plus God. I know God plus faith plus belief, okay, and then plus work plus action plus number plus result equals abundance. Okay.
Wow.
Abundance. And then multiply it with victory. You're victorious. You multiply, and then you're so happy. You want to do it again and again. That's the multiplication there. Do it and do it again. Multiply it with victory equals freedom. Now, the square root of freedom is joy, happiness, and then the glory, and then the hope. So if you have that one, if you talk to people, who do you think, what do you think? Do you think that people won't buy? People won't buy. By the way, I signed up the stewardess that you know, that from Irvine, when I flew to from California to I know, from San Francisco to Alaska Alaska, Calgary. He finally buy the machine, and then he wants to get out as
Wow.
a flight attendant. So, you know, I mean, it's your you know, keep smiling. That's what I said. When you drink the water, keep smiling. If you don't, even if you don't smile, people can say you're glowing, honestly. But if you are not going to explore and you know, express your what is inside of you, you cannot be able to do the business. You have to tell the world. Don't tell the world for free. That's what I said, that if you want to make sale, tell the world. If they are going not, if they are not prepared yet, it's okay. Put it in the priority list. You should have a list like, where's my book, babes? I have my priority list. I have the confirm list. I have the appointment list. You have to start writing it down, because sometimes you forgot, and then you finally found out, oh, she already bought to another people because you forgot to follow up on him. That's the secret on how to watch your success.
Superb, ma'am. So
Okay.
it was wonderful sharing, and so many things we also learned today. So I will translate something to my audience. So मतलब हम सभी लोग अभी DSD में हैं और 4 बेसिक्स की बात करते हैं, है ना? तो ऐसा नहीं कि इंडिया में ही 4 बेसिक्स को फॉलो करते हैं. अभी जो मैडम ने शेयर किया, उसमें भी 4 बेसिक्स का कहीं ना कहीं बहुत बड़ा रोल है. वो डेमो लिस्ट, अपॉइंटमेंट लिस्ट, ये लिस्ट, वो लिस्ट, सारी चीजें मेंटेन करते हैं. और आपने देखा होगा, सुन के आपको भी अच्छा लग रहा होगा कि आज भी इतने इस लेवल पे आने के बाद वो अपने काम का अकाउंटेबिलिटी खुद रख रहे हैं कि मेरा जो डेमो है वो किस तरीके से प्रेजेंट किया, उसका क्या लिस्ट है, समथिंग लाइक दैट. दूसरा के उनके जो अपलाइन है, उनकी स्टाइल, वे ऑफ वर्किंग, वे ऑफ अप्रोच अलग है, और इनको अपना वे ऑफ वर्क और वे ऑफ अप्रोच डिफरेंट करना था. तो इनको जो समझ में आया वही डेमो है. तो उनके लिए बेस्ट डेमो क्या है? सेल्फ एक्सपीरियंस वर्क्स फास्टर देन डूइंग डेमो. ये उनका मंत्र है कि मेरा जो सेल्फ एक्सपीरियंस है कैंगन वाटर को पीने के बाद, वो मैं इतनी एक्साइटमेंट के साथ लोगों को बताती हूँ कि मुझे कई बार डेमो करने की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ती और साइन अप हो जाता है. तो आप कितने एक्साइटेड रहते हैं इस चीज को शेयर करने के लिए, वो तय करता है, वो डिसाइड करता है कि आपका वे ऑफ अप्रोच और आपका वे ऑफ वर्किंग क्या होना चाहिए. सो बहुत सारी चीजें उन्होंने बताई आज, और कहने का मतलब कोई भी एक तरीका डिफाइन नहीं हो सकता है. मैंने अपना खुद रास्ता, मैंने अपना खुद तरीका एक नया बनाया और इस बिजनेस में मैं गॉड, फेथ, ट्रस्ट, बहुत सारी चीजों के साथ मतलब मैं आगे बढ़ी। वो उनका सक्सेस फॉर्मूला था। मैम, आई जस्ट, हेलो,
Yeah,
am I audible to you, ma'am? Yes.
it's okay.
So everyone wants to see that piece of paper you were sharing earlier. That success, that ladder success. Yes, everyone wants to see
Ladder
that
of success.
piece of paper. Yes, everyone wants to yes, take a screenshot of this.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Can you brief in 1 minute, because you were not audible that time, what you wanted to
Okay.
share with this picture by
When
showing
you
this?
join, yeah, when you join the business, okay,
Yes.
you fail because sometimes you approach the people with the wrong people, and then you feel discouraged. So don't stop. Don't give up, because God is giving you the steps of success. So when you don't give up, you go to the second ladder. Then you fail again, but don't stop until you reach. You refine yourself until you become successful.
Wow.
Don't give up. Don't give up, because there's always a stairs to success. Because
Super.
we are not, yeah, we are not here to just become like a successful. No, you have to work for it.
So, ma'am, it is your wisdom is truly commendable, truly superb. We are learning so much. So, ma'am, you stay in USA and you develop so many countries. So, can you share your experience? How come you can develop being into USA, staying in US, and developing all these countries? How you manage all this? How you manage to develop all the countries?
Through this.
Okay. Okay. So, digital.
Yeah. So, but I'm not doing online, and then I just explained to them like Deo and Fima, my new 6A. No, I don't know them. They just call me, and then and then I explain to them what's the like this, like that. There is a story, because if your story is very good, for if your story is for God's glory, whoever received the message, they will call you right away. But if you are going like a faith, if you have faith to yourself, it's like you wonder, I am so good, I explain so good, why people won't buy? Because it's for yourself. But if you do the faith for God and do the action and do your action for His glory, it's a given. That's the
Yes.
secret of success.
Superb. So, ma'am, buying a Kangen machine in US is we think that it is very easy because people earns in dollars and spend in dollars. Is it? But in India, we earn in Indian rupees, INR. So it makes a Kangen machine a little bit unaffordable. So people say Kangen machine is expensive. So many people say they are ready to drink Kangen water, but they say Kangen machine is really expensive, or they cannot afford it.
You know
Still,
why?
you are doing not many direct sales. So we want to know that what is your response to this statement?
Okay, first, that's what they said. Change your water, change your life, right? Change your
Yes.
water, change your life. How could you be able to be successful on that slogan? It's hard. But if you change your spirit and change your faith and change your water, change your life, you're going to be prosperous. Okay. Now, let's say, for example, you are telling the people about the water, and then your mind, perception of your mind is so expensive. You are scared to approach people because it's expensive. It is you, because most of the people right now, they want to enjoy their life. They want to enjoy by buying things, okay? They want to have Kangen water. And then some people, they prioritize their health right now, especially the baby boomers, okay? they prioritize their water to prolong their life. But the reason why they cannot make sale, because they are not closing the sales yet, and they already count the commission. And then second, it's like they already they project and they look at, oh my God, in your mind, oh my God, do you think what they call this, Sunny can afford to buy this? Or do you think Chirag can be able to buy this? Whatever you think, it's your thinking and it's your feeling, that makes that person say no, because you already project. That's the reason why if you are a movie director, you have to have a good projection, because otherwise you cannot be a director. We are the director of ourselves for God's glory, because we are not here to gather the wealth, but we are here to gather thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. We are here to, what we call this, to help people to know God. That's the reason why there's a lot of religion all over the world. We are here to teach the people how to live in a good life for God's glory. Then, you're done. It's easy for you to make sale, because you are creating the holy frequency that in your thinking, in your feeling. Don't think about the commission, because the commission will just come to you. If God will provide that person just one click, that God will do to that person that you talk to, he will buy the machine. There is no if, and look at this. Are we how do you call this? I will show you this one. You're gonna be amazed on this. There is, if India, I said that, oh, India is poor. I kept on listening on from the India. I said, no, it's not. Indian is very rich people, because they have a lot of money under their bed. Okay, hold on 1 second. I'll show you this one. You're gonna be amazed on this. Okay, hold on. Search. Look at that. Oh, look at these people. I know you see this one already.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I mean you see this one too. Look at this. Look at that. You see this one, right? This is not India. This is in China. Why is it? Yeah. Why do you have a bathroom like this? Do you have a bathroom like that?
Oh.
So
Shocking.
I mean, there are people who wants to have this, but it depends on how you make us how you talk. If you talk with excitement for God's glory, just say, this is for you, Lord or God, this is for your glory. I will make the sale. Believe me, no one will say no. If I see that, and then you cannot see who am I right now, you won't believe me. That's why you left. So, I'm not lying. It's true.
Wonderful,
in
ma'am.
one day in Calgary, there's only like how many people we have there? We sold 17 units. And then the next day, another, it's a lot. That's why my team is winning all the time.
Yes. So thanks for sharing that, ma'am. And so many direct messages from many women I am receiving right now in Zoom call. They all are saying that Cynthia ma'am's energy is very good, very commendable. She might be somewhere around 35, 36-year-old.
Oh, I'm 65 years old.
Oh my God.
Okay, let's give me the spray. I'll teach you women. Okay, this is the way how to live. Okay,
all our women champions cannot believe
okay,
that you are
women,
65.
You can make sale now. Okay. All you have to do is okay, I'm waiting for the spray. I don't put anything in my face. I just put only sunblock. Okay. Now hold on. This is the way how to do this. Okay.
Yeah.
Spray with page 11. Your hands first, and then you go like that.
Yes.
And then you make it dry, and then spray it first in the neck. and then you count. You know, India knows that the 369. So count 9 every day, 2 times a day. If you can't do it like 3 times a day is good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's why I don't have. I'm 65. I don't have like a
No
coconut
wrinkles.
monkey pouch. Okay, and then
Yeah.
where's that? Then second, you go like this, spray. And
This
then
is 11.5.
11.5. Then use this one, and then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But if it's not dry, do it like 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, because 1 plus 8 equals 9. If it's not wet, then go to 28. I know 20, hold on, 27. Then 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. If it's dry, then you know again here. Okay, spray. And then here, you go like this, oh. Okay, don't pass in here. I don't, that don't go like that. Go like this and then go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then do it again until it dry. 7, 8, 9. Okay. And then it makes your skin so smooth. Okay. 6, 7, 8, 9. And then 9 times of that. Okay. And then you go, if you're a flat nose, you do it like this. Okay, spray it again. And then you go like this. Use this one, the middle finger and the ring finger. Okay. You push your nose and then you go like that so that I don't have eye bag. Then push. And then you go like this. Okay. And then you go like that. Okay. So that your nose becomes, people think that I have a nose lip. No, I don't have. Okay. And then after that one, if your eyelash is dropping, like me, it's dropping, you go like that. You spray and then you do like that. You count it 9. Okay. And then up to 9 times. And then here you go like that. And then here you make sure that this portion is gonna be like this. And then you put some pH 11 on the scalp so that it becomes like so thick. That's why, look at my hair, it's so thick because every day I pull it with the, like my hair, I'm almost like a bulb before. And then my hair becomes so thick, and and then you can do demo. And then not only the one before you sleep, you put the pH 11 in your eyes, and then in your eyes, and then don't wipe it, just let it flow.
Wow.
So simple. And then if you have a headache, go to the tub and pour the pH 11 in the in your head, and then drink half cup of the pH 11. 10 seconds, gone.
Super.
And then what else can you do?
So,
I am 65. I'm gonna be 66.
still they can't believe, ma'am. All women can't believe that you are 65.
And then the teeth, like first you wash with the, gargle it with the 2.5, and then brush it with the pH 11, and then that's why my teeth is white.
Yes.
And even Anispa, where are you? Come here, show your teeth. Come here. Anispa is also doing that.
Yes, wonderful.
You are saying 11.5?
Yeah.
Yes.
11.5. Yeah.
So, ma'am, all women are here in our Divine International family. There are so many women who are associated with us and want to grow. So, what would be your a short message for women? What would be your short message for women? Yes, especially for women.
Okay, don't give up. Okay, if you're a mother or a single, stay as whatever, stay as sweet as you are. Be just give yourself for God's glory, and do the good things for God's glory. Do the job, do the sales of Enagic for God's glory. It's so simple. Just say, Lord, this is for your glory. I will make sales today. And it happened. You just say amen. And then suddenly said, hey, what's her name? Purita. Yeah, Purita. Yeah, Purita, can I buy a machine? I need now. And then people that, 3 years ago, that you do not, you never already, you already forget her. She's looking for you. And then especially when you do it, when you are lying in the ground, lying in the ground and do it, this is all for your glory. Right away, it connects right away to the, because the magnetic field, the frequency, they will, it's like God is pulling it and then throw it to the people that you approach. Even the people that is really so bad, that badmouth you or something, like, forgive her because she's your number one customer.
Wonderful, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you for sharing that. And being into India, and we are here in India and growing in Enagic still. We are only 8 years old now in India, and you are in USA since 29 years now. So I and my team wants to know what is the true potential of India business in Kangan, Enagic, and what can we achieve more? So what are your thoughts about India?
India is still gonna be number one. Just don't overthink. Don't think things that you don't be scared. Be fearless, be authentic Indian people, because Mr. Oshiro is in your back. I already talked to Mr. Oshiro, because Mr. Oshiro is not giving you a hard time. He just wants to see you, and then just be patient, because the good is always there. I mean, you will receive that, everything's gonna be fine. Don't be, don't get mad. Keep going on what you're doing right now, because those things are going to be, makes you successful in life. Don't give up, because if you go to another company, you cannot be able to make what you make right now in Enagic, right, Anispa? Your chair, come here.
Can you show Anispa, ma'am, to all of us?
Can
you show Anispa to all of us?
Yeah, here. Okay. She's in the chair. Okay, come here. Yeah.
तो ये है सिंथिया मैडम का एनिस्पा. देखो अभी आपको दिखाएंगे.
Yeah, this is Anispa. Okay, here.
ये एनिस्पा. एक बार जोरदार म्यूजिक होना चाहिए एनिस्पा के लिए.
Your ears.
Super.
She's so beautiful. Okay, Anispa. She's my angel.
Yes, she is your angel, and in every now and then you remember her whenever you go out. Yes.
Yeah.
I keep seeing your videos and everything, and you miss lot her when you are out of your base location.
Yes, because like if you have a pet, when you arrive, I mean, children and pets is always like showing love right away, and then wiggling and then after he wiggle, and then he wants to be hugged, and then if I go out, and then he will say, Anispa, stay, because of Kangen water, they're very genius. I said, Anispa, stay, because we're going to somewhere. Then stay. If we go to the market, he will come and join us. Something like that.
Yes,
he knows.
So, ma'am, do you feel that your mega fan following?
What?
Is in your mega fan following? You are a celebrity in Kangan, right? So you are a. Am I audible now?
Yeah.
So,
right.
Do you feel that your mega fan following is not in USA but in India?
No, yeah, because
everyone is so excited to have you. Everyone is so excited always.
When we were in the Banff mountain, in the Rocky Mountain in Alberta, and I saw this Indian. I know he's a 682-4. I think he's there, and he's looking at me. And then my friend said, "They're looking at you." I said, "Let's go, because they're gonna, once they start the picture, the people will go picture on me, even if it not Kangen water, because people say it happens when I was in where is that, and then I people are keep on taking picture on me, and then I get out. No, in the store. I went to the store, and then these Vietnamese people said that, oh, Cynthia, wait. I know she did not tell me, Cynthia. I said, wait. And then she went right away. And then someone come out like six, altogether is 16. They want to take picture with me. So the people behind me, like paying their food or groceries, they're looking at me. And then after I take a picture in all of them, I go out. Those people are waiting for me outside. They said, can we take picture of me too? I said, no, I'm not a celebrity. Oh, just in case, I take picture with them. And then I took their telephone number, but it's too bad. Anispa, I'm playing the papers that I get their numbers. But it's okay. So funny.
Yes. So on behalf of 1.4 billion people and 3 lakh Kangen user in India, I would like to invite you whenever it is happening Enagic anniversary in India. You should be part of it, ma'am. Everyone wants to see you.
Okay.
I know that.
Ma'am, I want to ask you something. I will asking you a few questions. You have to answer in shortly. How many direct machine you sell till now?
How many what?
How many direct machines you have sold till now?
You're breaking up. You're breaking up. What is how many direct?
How many direct sales till now you have done?
Oh, in now in September?
No.
Right now.
From 2006 to till now.
Okay, the total group sales right now, I
No.
have like what? You're breaking up. That's why.
Okay.
How many?
You started in 2006, yes?
Oh yeah. Okay.
From 2006 to till now, how many direct sales you have done?
I said there's a lot. There's a lot. Because at that time myself, I think I'm over like 100,000 or 300,000 over. Yeah. Because what do you think? This is a direct sales. My direct sales. Okay, and that's my
direct sales.
my monthly bonus. This is one. I have 3 of this, and one was stolen. And then I have another one again. I'm going to create like this. I cover it with the saran wrap so that no one can steal it.
Second,
South India की movies की style में पूछ रहे हैं कि और कुछ बताऊं?
one more question. After how many demo you get your first device?
What?
After how many demos you got your first device?
You're breaking up. I don't. What did you say again? How many demos?
How many demos you have done? After that, you got your first sale.
No, I don't do demo. All my first sale, I got 17 units right away. No demo, just excited, just excitement. Talking excitement sells faster than doing demo.
Wow.
And then my people do the same. They don't do demo, and then they just tell the story. People that doesn't know how to speak English, they make sales like the other one that I heard is like, because I have 65 checks, all direct, wide 65, and I received like that's a huge amount of money. Just one I think 1 week.
Okay.
You believe that? Excitement, because everything is asked. Because some of you, the people already wants to make to buy the machine, okay? But you said because you have no application, you don't bring application forms. They said, oh, can you come to the event? Then you ruin the momentum. It's the momentum that makes the sales close. It's the excitement that makes that momentum moves to buy the machine. Okay? Excitement. Okay, I will tell you. If I do, Sunny, if I tell you, if I do demo on you, do you know what I'm talking? But I'm so excited. It's like watching the movie. Oh, you know what, Sunny, there's a nice movie. It's about the monkey and Sunny's gorilla and fighting to the monkey, the monkey. People cannot wait to watch that. Those kind of attitude, those kind of gesture, those kind of presentation, you want to, and then make a joke all the time.
We got you, ma'am.
Yeah, the joke that I have when I sold the 17 units, this is part of the joke. I went to my friend's house and he said, "Oh, what are you selling now?" "Oh, I'm selling this product, but I did not come here to sell it to you because you have no money." I said, "You know, what do you think of us? Poor?" "No, no, 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 no. Because it's not your priority." "Sorry," I said, "that you don't have money. It's not your priority." "Why? What is that?" "You know what? Your neighbor, when I told the neighbor that, oh, this is good for, for the elderly people, because you know what, or 50 years old and above people, because this is like a Viagra. Oh, but believe me, they buy right away."
Yes, ma'am. So, being into core members of Energetic company, I know you are in a core member leadership team and you are able to also talk with Mr. Oshiro sir also. So, from his point of view, from Mr. Oshiro's point of view, what do you think that about India? What Oshiro thinks about India? What Energetic thinks about India? And what new things are going to come in India?
Okay, they're processing something that makes the huge difference. Okay, just wait, because that's what happened to us in United States before too. We have Mr. Oshiro has a has a heart like a golden heart. Mr. Oshiro won't abandon us. Just stay in there yet. Just stay there and don't how do you call this, like, scared. Don't be fearless, because the company is solid. He will be there for you, for the rest of your whole life, because Mr. O has a plan, but his plan is only his plan. But I can feel it and I can discern it, because people before they left, now they're regretting. You know why? They're regretting because they do not know that Enagic will become big, as bigger than what they expect.
So do
Ma'am,
you think?
yes, Tanvi.
So, ma'am, from your point of view, do you think India will be again this year, this calendar year, #1 in sale?
Yes. You know what? The reason why you guys stop, because you feel discouraged. Keep going. Keep going. Because, everything is okay. Because if you stop, do you think Mr. Oshiro will be starving? No. Because the believers of this product will never stop. Because Mr. Oshiro has a plan. Just wait for that. Just wait for that.
What is your team size?
Huh?
Total team size.
You,
Total things you have till now.
okay. What did you say again?
Total devices you sold as a team.
You're breaking up. Can you far away from the microphone? Because when I hear it,
Ma'am,
yeah, go ahead.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yeah.
So he wants to ask, what is your total team size in Energetic business,
including direct sell?
Okay, my insight in Enagic.
Yes,
Enagic will be here. Enagic will be here up to our generation to the generation. You know why? Because they're fully equipped. They have the best. Japanese people. They have the best. What we call this technology. So we are in a good shape. The reason why sometimes not only in India but other country too, because sometimes it is the distributors that makes it that makes the Enagic sometimes slow down, but Enagic won't how do you call, stop supporting you there.
There is a USA convention going to happen in June 2025, I suppose.
Yes.
Chula Vista. So
Chula Vista.
many from our Divine International team is also going to visit there. So
Yeah,
I would like to show you in numbers, in names. आप में से कितने लोग who all are coming to San Diego Chula Vista events? Come on,
yes,
raise hands.
Yeah, do it because you know what? You have to explore. You have to start. Yes,
Drop.
yes. Uh-huh.
So all of these members who have typed I in chat box, all are traveling to USA.
Good. That's nice. I'm happy to see you. Yeah.
We
Okay.
are we are we are more pleasured, ma'am, to have you here. So अगर कोई हमारे यहाँ से सीनियर लीडर्स अवेलेबल है और कोई कुछ पूछना चाहता है तो मैं उनको इनवाइट करता हूँ.
Thank you. Ma'am, I want to ask, I have two questions for you. One is,
Okay.
what is your total team size?
What?
What is your total team size, including direct and indirect?
What is your? Can you talk far from the microphone?
Can I type? Can you read on chat box?
Yeah, far from the microphone because you are like echoing when I receive it here.
What is, my question is, what is your team size, including direct and indirect?
Oh, my insight is like this year is
Groups?
like it's the group sales in my whole organization will mushroom because there's a lot of things that we can be able to harvest from Enagic. If you the daily contest is a huge it's a huge how do you call this beneficial to our team. And not only that one, how do you call that, Enagic is growing, it's growing. And then don't you know that the hotel that we are going to have a convention, it's owned by Enagic? So I mean, Enagic is so huge. So if you are just going to focus, okay, this is the insight now. Focus on your personal sales. Don't focus on the rank, because if you have wide, people will also go wide in your organization. And then if you hit 6A, they will hit 6A at the same time. So just focus and do it diligently for God's glory, and don't ever procrastinate. Oh, I'll do it tomorrow. No, because there is no tomorrow waiting for us. The now is now, because tomorrow is not promised. Everything on us is now, because tomorrow is not promised. So why, if you have enough time to do it, just do it.
Yes, ma'am. So it was wonderful having you here. So some of the team members who are leaders in our Divine International family, I want if someone has some questions, raise your hands. मतलब sorry, आप में से किसी भी व्यक्ति को अगर कुछ पूछना है और वो 6 से एंड अबव रैंक पे है तो वो हैंड रेज कर सकते हैं. और yes, only 6 and above. Yes.
Okay.
So we do have here our leader Yagnesh here. So he would be asking you something. Yes, Yagnesh bhai, over to you.
Yes, welcome, ma'am. Namaste.
Namaste.
Yes, we are glad to hear you in the morning here. And I would like to know, we are amazed that you are selling so many direct devices. You have so many direct sales. That here in India, we are amazed to see that a person can have this number of direct sales. So we and the way you sell, like you are so excited when you talk to your customer, your excitement about the water Kangen.
Yes.
And you do it for the glory of God. That really amazes you. That so we would like to know that how can we make more direct sales here in India.
When you talk to people, give time. Okay, you know how to meditate, right? and you know how to look at the aura. If the aura is not there, don't waste your time. But if the aura is there, all you have to do is tell them with excitement and then include the referral fee. Just tell him that, oh, Sunny, I want you to, when when Sunny is already excited because by the machine, because he's, he's, how do you call this? Like he's so excited because of, I am so excited also talking to him. Excitement can contaminate people. Let's remember that. Okay, so when he is contaminated on your excitement, then tell them, by the way, Sunny, with excited talk, by the way, Sunny, can you believe that if you refer people, your money that you pay on here it will come back to you because Enagic will send you a check. You don't have a check there, right? Or direct deposit, right? So the money will be deposited back to you because of the referral fee. Don't say commission, because if you say commission, they're allergic to commission. So do it in an excitement way. Oh, by the way, if you refer 10, then do it 1A and then 8. The 8 is like a 2A. Then once they see the check or the check, the money in the bank, they will say, oh my goodness, I will continue this, I will continue, and then until they decided to quit their job and do this full time. Because we are here to change the lives of people, but we don't ask them to change, but because of the excitement, because of the product that works, it will be force them to do this business, and leave their job. So in replace of their job. Because, and also I tell the people, I tell the, I tell the, how do you call this? The customer, by the way, if you work 8 hours, right? And sometimes, are you not bored? You have to tell them that, are you not bored of waking up in the morning and then leaving at 5 o'clock and then you have no life because you cannot see your children? Sometimes you have to remind them. And then that's the time that they are going to do this business, because they will see that this might be, they will try that this might be the business for them. Then if they will give you a referral, do it right away. Close it for them because they're working, right? Close it for them. Once they start receiving the checks, believe me, you will be left behind because your people already flying anywhere in the world. That's what happened to me. So excitement in presenting the product, excitement on how to make money to recover their expenses.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So thank you so much that you came today. You accepted this our invite, and I know that from jet lags you have been passing through right now, but still you have managed today's time. And I know that you told me for 1 hour meeting, but it is already it is exceeds the time. But still, we are grateful to have you. So many people are messaging me to just know that how many group sale or devices are coming into your team every month, ma'am. Every month, how many group sale is coming? Yeah.
Okay, it's more than 10,000, but because
Oh my God! एक जोरदार powerful music होना चाहिए दोस्तों.
Yeah, that's the group. That's including my 682-7.
10,000 per month. Wow.
And how many of them are direct? How many direct you sell every month?
Every month, my direct sales, because when you hit 682-3, your minimum, your maximum, points or sales is like 20 on the 8 points, and then 20 on the 8 points and 12 on the enroller, the direct points.
So how?
If I have 12 direct points, that's, and then I'll just talk to people like each of them to bring one. I'm done. I have reserved all the time. So that's why I'm still making this much. Okay, hold on.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Not everything.
I'll show you.
Yes. Am I audible?
Huh?
Yes.
Hold on,
You are
hold on.
going to show something?
Yes.
Yeah, show you something.
Fine, fine, fine. Please go ahead.
Okay.
Backbone team अब active रहिएगा please.
Okay, hold on 1 second. So if in 1 month I made like this, okay. Now where's that? Okay, hold on. That's it. Did you say it? Did you say it?
Yes, yes, yes. We can see it. Ma'am, one last question. Oh, wow. Amazing.
Okay.
Aja,
So what question?
I have a question. What is your morning routine?
My morning routine?
Yes.
Of course, hold on. I'm gonna look at where's my camera? Hold on. Yeah, my morning routine. I pray to God. Like at 3 o'clock. Sometimes we're awake.
You wake up 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. I woke up and then pray because at 12. Okay, in the 12 of the 24 hours, 12 hours is like for you to rest and meditate. But somehow at 3 o'clock. Hold on. At 3 o'clock, you woke up. Whether you like it or not, stress or not, you woke up. But somehow, people don't understand that the reason why you wake up, because God is calling you. Then you meditate. Okay? And then when you sleep the next day, even you have only the next hours after you meditate, you go back to sleep. Even 2 hours, you're recovered. You're already fully, your energy. And then in the morning, if you take a nap, because when God call you again, you will be, you know how to do the 369, right? The code of the universe. India knows about it. That's the how do you call this? In how many per monthly? What did he say? Okay, whatever. Okay, so what's another question?
Yes. So there is no question left, ma'am. So thank you so much for coming to our Divine International family and accepting this invite from my side. So you know what? Today we have been learned so many things, and what is my feeling that not everything can be learned from school, internet, or the library. The person who has experienced it can be more valuable to all of us. Sometimes the only way to advance is to learn directly from someone who have set an example in the society or in the company. So someone who have transformed so many lives can be directly a teacher to all of us. So we are truly blessed today to have you here and have your presence. We promise that whatever we learned today, we will implement in our lives and in our work towards Enagic career and in our life also. So from weakness to strength, from grass to grace, from nothing to something, the knowledge you have imparted upon us been a great asset throughout our Enagic career and in our lives also, ma'am. So we are highly grateful to have you here. And in a tradition of someone coming to our family and giving insights and wisdom to us, we have a tradition to give a Enagic salute to that person. So today you came here and you gave us a lot of learning. So all of us want to give you a salute to your experience, to your rank and to your wisdom, ma'am. So मैं बैकबोन टीम से रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ एक Enagic सैल्यूट के लिए हम सब लोग अपना कैमरा ऑन करेंगे, स्माइल करेंगे, कैमरा के पास आएंगे और Enagic सैल्यूट करेंगे दोस्तों. Come on.
Yes.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Anything you want to add, Dipesh bhai? Anything sharing, वगैरह जो भी? So over to you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us and blessed to have you. We learned so many things there. Though we are not from network industry, this industry is new to us, and we learn so many things from you and so many insights from you. So it will definitely help us to grow this business. And thank you so much, and blessed to have you.
Thank you too for being in my team, and I love you all. I mean, if there is something that you need, just call me, just message me, and then I will check and then I will answer it, because
Can
there's
we have
no-
two sharings of today's feedback?
Yes.
Today's
Yeah.
feedback. Two sharings, one male and one female. Yes,
One-
Dipesh bhai.
Correct. We have two settings. Anybody? I want new people here. Come on, new people. Gaurav Ambani is new. Yes. Male is Gaurav Ambani, and I want one female. I want one female. One female. कौन कर सकता है? Yes, Gaurav bhai, over to you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. First of all, we are actually blessed to have you as our mentor, and thanks to our divine team like Sunny sir. Like we are very thankful to you to make us meet the lady who is who is our mother in Energetic, we can say. So thank you, Cynthia ma'am, for giving us the insight as. The Dipesh also tell us one thing that I took from this session is that we just have to share the excitement. Demo is okay, demo is very necessary, but the excitement that we are taking from this water, like the feeling that we are getting from the water, we just have to share this with the excitement. So that will make our sales boost. So this is my takeaway. Thanks a lot, ma'am, for giving this insight. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
welcome. Yeah.
Yes, Sweta, madam, over to you.
Yeah.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes.
First of all, thank you so much for sharing a chance देने के लिए, and thank you so much, Cynthia ma'am. It was always pleasure to talk to you. When earlier we talked in one session, it's provided by Sunny sir, and it's being like always whenever I'm listening you, whenever I show your post on Facebook, so it feel like I want to become like you. Even today, my younger daughter is with me, and she attained almost 50%, and she is listening you. So she's saying, "Mama, who is she? She is so cute. She is so gorgeous." So I said, "Beta, she is just like as Gaurav sir says. She is like our mother in Energetic." So she said, "Mama, I want to become like her, and whenever we go to US, I want to meet her." So thank you so much. You're always encouraging us as it's a Facebook post or it's any video, everything. And we always blessed to listening you more and more, ma'am. And as Sunny sir said, whenever any event of Energetic, any big event, so please do come. It's our pleasure to attend you and to meet you personally, ma'am. So thank you so much, ma'am.
Welcome. Yeah, thank you too for being in my team. Yeah, you are welcome. Yeah, when you come to San Diego, I will, you can come to my house. I will invite you all.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Sweta. Yes, Dharmesh bhai and Nissan, if you want to share anything, Dharmesh bhai or Nissan, anybody. If you want to tell your experience. Nissan, anybody? Nissan. Yes, I will spotlight Nissan. Yes, Nissan, over to you.
Hi.
Please unmute yourself. Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
hello. Namaste, Cynthia ma'am.
Namaste. Yeah.
First of all, thank you very much for coming and joining us and sharing your golden nuggets to all of us. As such, we've been following you as entire team since long time. I have watched so many of your videos on YouTube and learned so much things from you. And if we want to achieve a scale in Energetic, we all know that we must follow someone who is already an inspiration and idol. So
Thank
you are the one who we are inspired from the most so far, and I think in entire Enagic world, probably the you are the person who is having the most following so far, right? So in in one-to-one listening to you is a really great deal, great joy, and you have so much to share. You have so much things to let us learn. What I like about you the most is your faith in God. As I am a firm believer that a human has got, the greatest gift we all have is faith. If someone doesn't have faith, he doesn't go anywhere in the life. So
That's true.
that is I think your biggest advantage, or I can say the biggest reason why you are so good, so you are so at par in your business is probably your faith. So again, I would like to thank you for joining us, and we hope that you keep coming to us, and you keep sharing all your valuable inputs. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes, yeah. Thank you and welcome. Thank you, India.
So we as a team today wants to celebrate your presence with a dance. So everyone is excited, ma'am, today to have you here. So we want to show excitement to you via doing some dance steps on our screens. So if you allow and if you can join also in this celebration, it would be great. So
Okay, all right.
बैकबोन टीम से रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ एक पावरफुल डांस म्यूजिक होना चाहिए. हम इस प्रेजेंस को, मैम की प्रेजेंस को सेलिब्रेट करना चाहते हैं. हम जितने खुश है उतना दिखाना भी चाहते हैं कि आज वो उनके आने का जो एक मौका मिला है वो हमारे लिए कोई फेस्टिवल से कम नहीं है, कोई त्योहार से कम नहीं है. मैम, आई एम सेइंग दैट you are present in our Zoom meeting today, so it is not less than any festival which we are celebrating today.
Yes,
So
thank you.
yes, it is a festival kind of thing for all of us. So let's celebrate this Cynthia ma'am's presence with a powerful dance. Come on, everyone.
इश्क तेरा तड़पाता है ना रात को सोया जाता है.
आजा छोरे नाचो 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 वीर नाचो 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 यार नाचो नाचो नाचो.
Ale, 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 feel the magic in the air. Ale, ale, ale,
Magic System, Red One, Shawky. Feel the magic.
Beautiful.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much
Thank you so much for
for
joining us.
joining us. Wonderful experience and wonderful learnings, wonderful day, wonderful life. Thank you so much. Yes.
You made all of us day. Thank you so much for joining. Blessed to have you.
Yes, thank you so much. And namaste, and we'll
Thank
see you next time.
Yes.
Okay.
yes,
Thank you.
All
Thank
right.
you.
So thank you and good night.
Good night.
Okay.
Good
Bye-bye.
night.
Bye-bye. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Have to close this one. I do not. Okay.
Thank you so much, all of you, for joining. An amazing day for all of us. Amazing journey, amazing learning. So much. Thank you so much, all of you, for joining. इसी के साथ मिलते हैं कल शानदार शनिवार में जुगल जोड़ी के साथ। तो कल मिलते हैं 6:30 बजे शानदार शनिवार में। तब तक के लिए दीजिए इजाजत। जय हिंद, जय भारत। थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू।
Recording stopped.